Joint on the corner where the big boys play.
All right, guys, do we have time to decide?
Yeah, I'll have the chicken parmesan, please. Side of fries, Diet Coke, side salad, please.
Okay. And for you?
I'd like to try the baba ganoush.
Okay. That's very good. And what would you like for your protein?
Pardon me?
For your protein.
Why are you asking me that?
Well, I mean, the dish comes with a protein, and you need protein to survive. I know that much about nutrition.
Yeah, I know the dish comes with protein. There's protein in the eggplant. There's protein in the vegetables. There's extra protein in the tahini. You don't actually take protein out of your vegetables here, do you?
Do we? I don't think so. Let me check. I'll check. Let me go check. I'll give you guys another minute with the menu, and I'll be back.
Yes, I haven't been here in a while. I'm really impressed that they've got vegan options.
All right, guys, here we go. Here's our special, the grilled chicken and bacon sandwich with melted mozzarella and a side salad. And here is your vegan quinoa and avocado salad with a side salad. Can I get you guys anything else?
No, not for me, thanks.
A cup of coffee when you get a chance.
Sure, you got it.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What is it?
There's a dead animal on my plate. I think I'm gonna puke.
I think you're overreacting.
Oh yeah, is this overreacting? Waiter.
Yes, sir. Is there something wrong with your meal?
Yes, there is something wrong with my meal. There's a dead animal on my plate. And, did I order a dead animal? Did I order a dead animal today?
Well, technically.
Yeah, I mean, technically you did. It was a special today. That's what you ordered.
Technically. Did you find anything you like?
All right, gentlemen.
Hey.
What would you like?
Oh, let's see. I'm gonna have the veggie burger, please. Medium well, some fries, and a diet soda. Whatever you got back there.
Okay, it's a cola.
I'm, excuse me, I'm checking out your menu and I'm trying to find anything on here that's vegan.
Okay, our corn fritters are actually gluten-free. They're very good.
I'm looking for something vegan.
Let's see. Oh, the queso dip is non-GMO. delicious.
Very useful information, but I'm looking for something vegan.
The chips that come with that are non-GMO, at least I think. Do you want me to check?
No, that's okay. I'm looking for something vegan.
Let's see, do you eat cheese? We've got a wonderful cheese. It's local, it's organic. Do vegans eat cheese if it's local?
No. Is there anything at all in this restaurant that's vegan?
You. I'll give you another second with the menu. I'll be back.
Joint on the corner where the big boys play.
Did you decide?
Yeah.
Gonna try to.
Welcome, guys. Got some water for you.
Thanks.
Did you have time to decide?
Yeah, give me the jacket potatoes, a ginger beer, and I don't know, I'm just gonna keep this for now, thanks.
Okay, yeah, hang on to that.
Yeah.
Okay, and for you?
Yeah, I'm trying to put together an order from your kitchen that's vegan.
You're vegan.
Yep, vegan.
Come on, you don't look vegan.
Well, I am vegan, and I'm trying to put together a lunch order with what you have in the kitchen that's vegan.
You really don't look vegan.
Okay, I'll bite. What does a vegan look like?
Well, I mean, no offense, but vegans are skinny and you just don't look skinny. And vegans have, you know, long hair and angry expressions on their faces. And
Well, the angry expression is about to come out. What else?
vegans are more like Gandhi, but with long hair. You don't have long hair under that hat, do you?
Seriously?
All I know is that I knew a guy who was vegan once. In fact, I tried it. It wasn't for me. I just wasn't getting enough protein. So I quit. But I mean, you...
Dude, he's vegan, believe me. He tells everybody we meet he's vegan. He's vegan. Believe me, he's vegan, okay?
Why didn't you just say that? That's all you had to say. Yeah, we've actually got nothing for you back here. I'll give you another minute with the menu.
Everything's great. Yeah, thanks for asking.
Yeah, very good.
All right, guys. How we doing? Welcome to Muffy's.
Good.
Can I get your order?
Yeah, give me the chicken, bacon, Parmesan cheese dish, please, with a side of fries and, I don't know, a side salad.
Sure. Sounds good. And for you?
Yeah, I'd like to try the Muffy's 7-grain salad, please.
Excellent choice. Just so you guys know, today, 15% of our proceeds are going to be donated to the SPCA. It's SPCA Monday at Muffy's. So a little something we'd like to do.
Wonderful.
So I'm going to take off. I'll get your orders put in, and
I'll take a water when you get a chance.
Yeah, water, please. Yeah.
okay. Sounds good. All right, guys, take care.
That is so nice that they're giving.
I know, it's so nice that they're doing that. You know, they're giving back to the ASPCA. It's just so nice, you know, because it makes me feel good and warm inside, because I love animals. I don't know about you, but I'm an animal lover, just, you know, from way back. Yeah.
Okay, here we go, guys. The chicken parm sandwich and Muffy's 7-grain salad. Can I get you guys anything else?
No, but do me a favor, please. Tell the manager that we really appreciate that they're giving money back to the SPCA today. You know, it's just really nice. We really love animals, and we just really appreciate that. It's great. So
Okay.
thanks very much.
Yeah, I'll definitely let her know. It's very kind. All right, enjoy your meal, guys.
Thank you.
What do you think? All right?
Looks good.
Yeah, yeah.
So you say you love animals.
Oh yeah, I love animals. OMG, do I love animals. We've had cats and dogs and horses and, you know, we just, everything. We had a pet squirrel when we were kids. It was just amazing, yeah. So it's like...
You love animals?
Yeah, I do. It's one of these things.
Truly love animals.
Yes, I truly love animals. I'm telling you.
Then why are you eating one?
Ew.
Check, please.